Welcome everybody to the first of a series called Quick Tips. So here's number one. If you go to start your truck one day and you turn the key to start it and it does nothing, well, there might be a potential trick that'll save you. You open your hood, grab a trusty flathead screwdriver, walk around to this relay here, right next to the battery. Pull this cap off, leave your key in the run position. You take this here and go like this. Now, you shouldn't do this. At least drive to the auto parts store and get a relay after it's running. You shouldn't do this all the time because, as you heard, it's not the best for the Bendix driver. But hope you all enjoyed it. And I hope y'all found it helpful.